Have you ever imagined a world where graceful dancers soar through the skies, their melodies enchanting both gods and humans alike? Welcome to the world of Kinnaris mythology, realm of half-human, half-bird celestial beings that have mesmerized storytellers for centuries. But who are these mysterious creatures, and what lessons do their tales hold for us today? Let's dive in. In the folklore of South and Southeast Asia, particularly in Thai, Khmer, and Burmese traditions, Kinnaris are ethereal beings known for their beauty, elegance, and artistic talents. With the torso of a human and the lower body of a swan, they are symbols of purity, devotion, and harmony. Think of them as celestial artists, weaving their stories through dance, music, and poetry. But there's more to them than just their aesthetic charm. One of the most famous Kinnaris is Manohara, whose story is a timeless tale of love, separation, and reunion. According to legend, Manohara was part of a flock of Kinnaris who lived in the mythical Himavanta forest. One day, a prince named Sadhana stumbled upon her while she was bathing in a lake. Enchanted by her beauty, he captured her with a magical lasso. Although Manohara initially resisted, she eventually grew to love Sadhana, and the two shared a deep bond. However, their happiness was short-lived. Court intrigue and jealous rivals led to accusations against Manohara, forcing her to flee back to the forest. Prince Sadhana, heartbroken but determined, embarked on a perilous journey to find her. After overcoming many trials, he proved his love and devotion, earning the trust of Manohara and her kin. Their story reminds us that love is not just about attraction, but about perseverance, trust, and mutual respect. Kinnaris have left their mark not just in mythology, but also in art, dance, and literature. Visit a temple in Thailand, and you might see intricate carvings of Kinnaris adorning the walls, symbolizing spiritual grace. In classical Thai and Cambodian dance, performers emulate the elegant movements of Kinnaris, bringing their stories to life. Even in modern times, the Kinnaris blend of human and avian qualities inspires fashion, literature, and even video games. It's fascinating how these ancient symbols of artistry and devotion continue to resonate with us in new and unexpected ways. But what can we learn from the Kinnaris? At their core, these mythical beings represent the harmony between humanity and nature. In a world where technology often distances us from the natural world, the Kinnaris remind us of the beauty of balance and the importance of nurturing our artistic and spiritual sides. The stories of Kinnaris are more than just ancient myths. They're a celebration of creativity, love, and harmony. So, the next time you hear a bird song or see a graceful dance, think of the Kinnaris and their timeless message. What if, like them, we could find our own balance between the earthly and the celestial? That's a question worth pondering, don't you think? Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey into Kinnaris mythology. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tales from around the world. Until next time, keep your imagination soaring